2026, and after visiting Victory Liner again, I found myself revisiting another familiar place, Microtel Baguio, where we stayed back in 2019.
Whatever person who wants to look like a host of 647 at Samuel. 647%.
Though we're now checked in at the manor, coming back here brings so many good memories. It's nice seeing the changes through the years, like Tequero becoming Amare. Time flies, but memories always stay.